Hi friends, welcome to my channel. This is Cheryl with iStylEMYSTYLE. And if you are new here, welcome. My name is Cheryl. I love decorating with style on a budget while trying to make it look a lot more expensive than it really is. I love decorating in black and white. Those are my signature colors. And today's video is going to be a tablescape video. And I'm going to show you two different ways of styling your table using black and white. Today's video is also part of a collaboration that I am co-hosting with two fabulous women here on YouTube, and that is Ant's Place from Decorating Ant's Place. She is our host, and Ann from Glam Designs by Ann, and myself, and myself, Cheryl, iStylEMYSTYLE, and we are her co-hosts for this collaboration, and we are going to be showing you how to decorate using black and white. Now, we had to either decorate a vignette, a table setting, just anywhere in your home using black and white. So I'm going to be setting my table. So I picked up these plates here from Pier 1, actually the old Pier 1. I absolutely love them. They are $6.99. I haven't used them yet, so I'm excited to get these or to use these. I also have these placemats, or not placemats. These are napkins that I picked up from Hobby Lobby. They were part of their spring shop last year. They're black and white. I don't know if they have them this year, but they may. I also am going to use this very pretty velvet placemat that I picked up also from Hobby Lobby last year on clearance from their spring shop. I actually picked these up for 99 cents a piece. I also picked up these black and white placemats. They are also from Hobby Lobby from the spring shop last year. I think I paid a little over $1 for these. And then I'm also going to be using, these are actually kitchen towels, but I am going to be using them as napkins because I am going to go with a tropical theme in one of the settings, and I thought these were really pretty. I think they're from Place and Time, and I also picked these up on sale last year. And last but not least, we're going to use our black chargers and my white thrifted china. So let's start putting the tables together. All right, so here is the beginning of our tropical look, and I absolutely love it. We are actually layering, so we're using our black and white placemat. And then I've added a black charger, my white thrifted china from the Goodwill, and our kitchen towel from Place and Time. This again came from Joann's, and I absolutely love the look. And then I was thinking, you know, I think I'll add one more thing. So I came back and I added our little bowls, our smoky bowls that we picked up from the Dollar Tree a couple of years ago. And then that creates our first look, which is a tropical theme. Now, our centerpiece is not going to change. It's going to stay the same. And I picked up this really large candle holder from Home Goods. I don't think I showed it to you in a haul, but it was like $16.99. And these smaller ones actually came from Walmart. Yes, Walmart. They were, I think, $7.99 or $9.99. Don't remember, but they are still available. Normally, you can get these same type of candle holders from Pottery Barn, and they would cost you a whole lot more money. I'm saying this big one probably would cost you $70, and the smaller ones $30 each. So we have saved ourselves a ton of money by sourcing the look from different places. So I absolutely love the way the tropical theme comes together. I have not added silverware yet or any glassware. So let's go ahead and do that. All right, so I've now added our glassware and our silverware. I decided to go with the black. I think it pairs perfectly with the look and theme that I am going for. And I'm keeping it simple and just using a simple wine glass. And I absolutely love the shape of this one. I picked these up from Home Goods. A pack of 4, I think, was $6.99. But I absolutely love the look. And this is our tropical look. What do you think? Leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think of this look. The theme is black and white, but we could also add some pop or hint of color. The other ladies may be using yellow, but green is my signature color as well. If you do not know, I like to add pops of green around my home. And since it's summer, I thought these would work perfectly. And I'm using succulents that I picked up on clearance that I got from a grocery store. Not grocery stores, drugstores like Walgreens. I told you guys, don't sleep on your drugstores for home decor because they carry home decor as well. And I got these on clearance. And also some of these succulents came from Michael's on clearance after the summer. And the little rocks in the bottom are just from the Dollar Tree. So again, a very elegant looking table that looks so high end to me, and I absolutely love it. And here is our second look. I have switched out the placemats and we are using our black satiny placemats. We are using our thrifted silverware that we picked up from the Goodwill. You guys know I love the silverware. Very inexpensive, like 25 cents a piece. We have swapped out our charger plate and we are using the simple plate from the Dollar Tree. We are also using this black plate that also came from the Dollar Tree. And to elevate the look, we have added our napkin that I picked up from Hobby Lobby and added our Pier 1 plate, salad plate. And I think it just elevates the look. We kept our wine glass. Again, I said we're not changing the centerpiece, so we kept that, but it just gives it a more elegant and sophisticated look. If you're having a garden party, I think this would work perfectly. Again, very inexpensive. Like this napkin was 99 cents. Thrifted silverware, 25 cents a piece. Plates from the Dollar Tree. This one was $6.99 for Pier 1, the most expensive thing on this actual place setting. So I absolutely love the look. You can combine high and low to get that high-end luxe look for less, making people think you spent a lot of money putting your table together, but you really didn't. So I hope you guys have enjoyed today's video. If so, please give the video a thumbs up. It lets the YouTube know that you are enjoying the channel content, so they would push it out to more viewers. I'd like to thank the fabulous ladies that I am co-hosting this collaboration with. Antonette from Ant's Place and Anne from Glam Designs by Anne. Thank you so much for asking me to participate. You ladies know I love decorating in black and white, and I appreciate that you thought of me. So I will leave a link for the ladies' channels, the participants. So that's all I have for you today, my friends. I hope you have an awesome day, and I hope to see you in the next one.